We're in room 13204, which is a balcony stateroom on deck 13 of Quantum of the Seas. This room is directly underneath the pool deck, which is on deck 14. But it is a balcony and has a decent view. With the balcony, there is an overhang, which does provide some nice shade, but it might be considered slightly obstructed with that pole and of course the overhang above you. The balcony has 2 chairs and a table and plenty of room to relax. There is a desk area. On the desk right here, you do have 2 standard American outlets, 2 USB-A outlets, and then of course your light switches and a European plug. You have a cooler down here. If you do need a refrigerator, you would have to ask for one. This is mostly designed to keep your drinks colder. There is a kettle and some teas and stuff to go with it. And you do have a hair dryer and other things in the drawers. There is a couch. It converts into a bed. This room will seat 4 comfortably. Above the couch there is cabinets. And then next to the bed, you do have another cabinet with your safe. And you have a couple drawers down here as well. The main bed can either be 2 separate twin beds or 1 king size bed. This side has the phone. This side does have an outlet with a light switch. This cabinet is a little bit bigger. You can put your luggage and that and hang stuff there. And of course you do have more storage above the bed as well. You do have a TV, obviously, and then there's a pocket there for more storage. And then your bathroom is a standard Royal Caribbean bathroom. And you do have the all-in-one soaps in there, right there, and it's a tube shower. You do need a razor outlet. There's one up here at the top. Overall, it's a standard balcony cabin here on Quantum of the Seas. This is room 13204.